Holy wow.
So you said Barbie pink.
This is literally what I pictured inside of my head on a piece of paper. This is nuts.
So we're taking the yellow Lambo. We're gonna make
fully
it
pink, all white accent.
And then the interior.
Wow. I can't change my mind halfway through, right?
No.
I think it's gonna look badass. It's gonna look like Lamborghini did it, I think, too.
Right?
It's gonna have that final look that it came from the factory, which is cool.
Yellow is great. Pink's my favorite color. There's no turning back.
It's go time.
Let's go time. All right.
So
Say
it's good
goodbye
go.
to the yellow.
Say goodbye, yellow. Going on right now, Chad?
We're going through the whole interior. We have to take some switch panels apart, we have to take some vents apart, we have to paint some trim. There's just a lot of little details in here, but the details are what makes the job. Joan's not a man of very many words. Usually just pinche güero and no mames.
Okay, I made these 2 samples.
You do this by hand? Just
Yeah.
impressive. The reason why I chose a single stitch is because with the Lamborghini dash, it's usually much tighter. And it's not the same as the seat. So I think it looks tighter and cleaner in the dash to keep it like that. So it's a little more work for him to do, but I know he can get it done.
Of course.
Just about everything is finished as far as paint, interior, all the little details on the Lamborghini. So right now, Moscow's getting this thing put together, like piece by piece, going back in the car. We're gonna start at the dash, work our way to the back, and before you know it, this thing's gonna look pretty badass.
Maddie, take these glasses. Wow.
In person, game changer.
Yo.
My God.
Wow.
This is what really impressed.
You gotta hop in.
Impressed me. We've done a lot.
Whoa. This is literally better than I ever imagined it could look like. The pink start button. Holy shit.
Oh my God.
This is look at the logo. Oh my God.
What do you think?
I'm shocked. I'm speechless.
I told you.
It looks so.
I don't have words.
It almost looks like it's like a fake, like a video game. Like it's not real. Okay, we have to see the butt. The ass is the most important part.
Yes.
We gotta see the
got a
booty.
beautiful ass.
We gotta see the butt. Wow. That's so sick. Star edition. One of a
Little
kind.
extras.
One of a kind. Wow. That's so sick. The white just kind of makes it, huh? The ass of a car is probably the most important part, so the fact that it's full custom with the Star edition is so sick.
I swear to God, this car is like,
I'm sweating.
it really is
Taking his clothes off.
the nicest car we've ever done.
Wow. I can't believe the interior. I've never seen pink inside a car.
Never.
Wow. The pink thing over the stop.
Yeah.
Is
It
like,
doesn't look like
I
it's, is
know,
it real?
It's
Is
like
it
you
a real
built it in a
car?
sim and you were like, this is like a dream, you know? My whole entire brand and my whole entire life is pink, so definitely was necessary. And we've wrapped a few cars before, but I've never done anything with real paint. And Ryan's like, come on, come on. So I think this was the perfect vehicle to transform. I am very picky, but the cool thing about Ryan is he went over every detail, so there was no insecurities, there was nothing left unsaid. He made sure I got exactly what I wanted.